Welcome to Blue Baron Carpet Cleaning Systems, home of the Access Point heat exchangers and Blue Baron truck mounts. And we've been very busy. This is 2021 September, and we have built a tube-in shell. It's a little bit different from the type of post heater we build. It's a tube-in shell, and it basically picks up the heat from the center pipe going through where the exhaust travels. Typically, we use a series of spirals, 3/8 heavy wall tubing, but in this case we're using just a tube and shell type setup. We try to, build in different ways. We're not just set on one type of way of building. We are number one in the industry for our heat exchanger technology, known as Access Point. We build preheaters, post heaters, everything that you need for your truck mount. In today's times, we can save you money and keep you from buying another truck mount. Even though we are very busy selling our Blue Barons and very well known in the industry for its quality and performance, we provide a beautiful product here that will give you the heat that you need, and the exhaust will come down through here. We can change the size of the exhaust. In this case, this is a 1.5, and it will travel down through the center tube, radiate the heat out into the water void. This is a 1/2 stainless fitting on both ends. One is a, accepts the water off your unloader here, and then it travels down and comes up through here. We put a check valve typically right here to keep a unidirectional flow of water so there's no backing up, and then the water pressurizes in here and it pushes up into a water box. This is a very, very nice setup here. The spiral type that we use, the 3/8 heavy wall tubing, is also a good concept. But we like to, cross over into different ways of doing things. That's why we at Blue Baron are very creative in what we do. And we're not closed-minded. We like to expand in the industry, especially our product lines, with our inline filter boxes and our new Aqua Baron water tank that's coming out very soon, which will be a sub-tank water well, water ready, right underneath our truck mounts. Or if you decide you want one for your own, we'll be selling them online. But here we have this post heater, preheater, really well constructed, high quality stainless. Call us at 727-505-2989 or look us up online at truckmountstore.com 24/7. Thank you.